What's happening right now? I finally got my hands on one of the most requested hair tools by you guys, the Tyme straightener slash curling iron slash hair styler. This has been seen all over social media. I first saw on Facebook. I finally got my hands on it. I bought it from Amazon for $200 US. I'm looking on their site right now and they sell it for $190 US. But I figured with Amazon Prime, it's free shipping if I don't like it. It's free shipping to get here. I literally ordered this last night around 11 p.m. and it came this morning around 10 a.m. So the one thing I've read about this product is it's hard to learn how to use. So there's some kind of learning curve to this. So let's quickly run through the specs. The plates are made out of titanium, which is really great, especially for the price point. You want something durable and luxurious because you're paying for the technology. And then the motion is this scissoring or shearing motion. As you guys can see that, the way it's doing that, or like this. So I think this is where the problem comes in for a lot of people. This is where the learning curve is because we're not used to this kind of motion, especially from a straightener. This is probably where a lot of us get confused on what to do. And then when I saw this first, I thought the plates were curved, not just the packaging, but it's just the packaging that's curved. And it's kind of overlapping. This little bigger portion overlaps the bottom. And I do want to really quickly compare it to the Ionic afterwards when I do play around with this. And it does have temperature setting. It has 5 different temperatures from 300 Fahrenheit up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. But this is one of my least favorite types of temperature gauges just because I can't see what the temperature is or what it's reading at. So let's just get into it and begin trying to style my hair and see what kind of learning curve there is. So first, let's turn it on and see how long it takes to heat up. It said 55 seconds. So I'm gonna do it on 350, which is the third little button or light. And I'm timing it right now. So it stopped blinking around 42 seconds. That's good. All right, let's do this. Okay, let's loop it. Wow, it's really rough on the hair. You guys see that? What's happening right now? It's giving me a curl, but did you guys hear that? It was literally like shearing the hair. Okay, I am not a fan of that. All right, let me try this again. Giving it a little twist. Wow, this is like rough on the hair. And I'm barely pulling it. Ooh, I don't like this. I mean, it's definitely waving your hair, but I don't like this. It's pulling my hair out. I just want to show you guys a better example of what it actually is doing to the hair. So, compress it and then give it a little twist. Do you guys hear that? All right, so I can see where there is the learning curve because you have this scissoring or shearing action motion happening here, so you don't really know where to place the iron. So I kind of had an issue of where do I want the iron to go or what direction if I want the curls to go away, how do I place the iron correctly, and how do I hold my hand, and so forth. So the biggest thing I found so far I literally don't even want to finish this on my hair. It's literally grinding my hair. This little top portion right here, it sits on top of the bottom portion. And when your hair slides out from under here, it literally grinds it. You can hear it, the hair coming out. But we're gonna do it and I don't know. I'm sorry to be like a Debbie Downer, but I'm kind of upset with this. All right, so let's do this. Okay. Oh. So how to hold the barrel or the iron is you make sure this little light or the on button, on and off button is facing you or the mirror. So you place it behind the section, you clamp the section down and you kind of give it a twist and just twist your hair down. Like I'm barely holding this and it's having such a hard time coming out. Okay, let's do this again. I'm gonna give it more of a twist. Wow, I thought it was gonna be so smooth. That's much better. All right, I'm gonna clamp it a little bit harder and we'll see what happens. I'll show you guys the on-off button facing me underneath. I'm gonna clamp it kind of tighter. Ooh. Okay, I'm gonna let go because I can't do that. All right, let's just move on because I'm getting frustrated with this iron. Because for that price, it definitely should not be tugging on your hair. And it should be a lot easier and simpler than this. Let me just take my Ionic and show you guys quickly. I give it a little twist and just very gently pull it down. I mean, just look at that. It's a lot easier. It doesn't pull on your hair. All right, let's do this again. Do I finish it with this or no? That is the question. In my opinion, I think this is a very gimmicky product. They threw on some nice titanium plates and say, hey, we can justify that price because we're giving you titanium plates. And then the actual design, it grinds against the plates. And then when it clamps with your hair coming out, it clamps on your hair and it grinds on your hair and it pulls on your hair when you take it out. Honestly, a regular hair straightener is a lot more functional. It's a lot more versatile than this right here. The learning curve on this, it's not functional. It's not faster and it's not as versatile as a regular hair straightener. That's my opinion on this. It's not worth it. It's just not worth it, in my opinion. I'm really sorry this review turned out to be so disappointing, but I saved you $200. I hope you guys like this video. Let me know what other products you guys wanted to see. But for now, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. I love you all very much. Bye.